Do you still use supporting locations on LLGs? Yes. I think you heard you mention the supporting locations on the money site don't perform as well. I don't know what you mean by that. Sorry, I don't understand the question because of course I do. Here's the one that was just published yesterday, but I think the sitemap's still broken on this one. These are all supporting locations, right? Columbus, Bexley, Grandview Heights, Marble Cliff, and Upper Arlington. This is for Franklin County, Ohio, with Columbus, Ohio being the primary city. The primary city is where the Google business profile would be if it had, well, most likely, if it had a GBP. This doesn't have a GBP. It's an organic only asset. But Columbus is the main city. These are cities that are adjacent to Columbus that are within Franklin County, Ohio, right? So the location landing page, if this had a GBP, would most likely be this Columbus, Ohio page, not the home page, the Columbus, Ohio page, if the GBP was located in Columbus. Okay. These are supporting location pages: Bexley, Grandview, Marble, Cliff, and Arlington Heights, or Upper Arlington. Does that make sense? Those are supporting locations, supporting location pages. All right. I don't know if I understood the question properly, but yes, I still build supporting location pages.